Namaste, हमें खुशा खुशरो वीडियो. I am GVN Dr. Minakshi, Assistant Professor in Department of Shalakyatantra, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science, ज्योति विद्यापीठ विमेंस यूनिवर्सिटी. आज का हमारा टॉपिक है न्यूप्लाज्म ऑफ सलाइवरी ग्लैंड्स. इससे पहले वाली वीडियोस में हमने डिस्कस किया था द नॉन न्यूप्लास्टिक डिसऑर्डर ऑफ सलाइवरी ग्लैंड्स, और आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे न्यूप्लाज्म ऑफ सलाइवरी ग्लैंड्स. इससे पहले हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं बिनाइन ट्यूमर्स. आज डिस्कस करेंगे मलिग्नेंट ट्यूमर्स. सबसे पहले है म्यूको एपिडर्मोइड कार्सिनोमा. Some pathologists do not consider it to be malignant and call it mucoepidermoid tumor and not cancer, but it is known to metastasize and kill. Generally, it is slow growing but can invade the facial nerve. Histologically, there are areas of mucin producing cells and the squamous cells, and hence the name. Greater the epidermoid elements, more malignant is the behavior of the tumor. The tumors have been classified as low grade and high grade. The low grade tumors have good prognosis, whereas the high grade tumors have the poor prognosis. Low grade tumors are more common in children, whereas in high grade tumors there is no such predisposition. Low grade tumors are less aggressive, whereas the high grade tumors are more aggressive. Then comes the treatment part. The treatment of low-grade tumors is superficial or total parotidectomy, depending on the location of the tumor. Facial nerve is preserved in case of low-grade tumors. The treatment of high-grade tumor is total parotidectomy, and facial nerve can be sacrificed if invaded by the tumor. Some surgeons also combine radical neck dissection because of high incidence of microscopic spread of the tumor. Here is an image of the mucoepidermoid carcinoma. Next malignant tumor is adenoid cystic carcinoma. It is slow growing tumor but infiltrates widely into the tissue planes and muscles. It also invades perineural spaces and lymphatics and thus causes pain and seventh nerve paralysis. It can metastasize to lymph nodes. Local recurrences after surgical excision are common and can occur as late as 10 to 20 years after surgery. Distant metastases go to the lung, brain, and bone. The treatment of adenoid cystic carcinoma is radical parotidectomy with largest cuff of grossly normal tissue around the boundaries of the tumor. Radical neck is not done unless nodal metastases are present. Post-operative radiation is given if margins of the resected specimen are not free of tumor. Here is an image of the adenocystic carcinoma of hard palate. Next malignant tumor is actinic cell carcinoma. It is a low-grade tumor which appears similar to a benign mixed tumor. It presents as a small, firm, movable and encapsulated tumor, sometimes bilateral. Metastases are rare. Treatment of actinic cell carcinoma is superficial or total parotidectomy. Here is an image of the actinic cell carcinoma. Next malignant tumor is adenocarcinoma. More often it arises in minor salivary glands and it is highly aggressive locally and sends distant metastases. The next malignant tumor is malignant mixed tumor. There are two varieties of this tumor. First is carcinoma developing in pre-existing benign mixed tumor, and second is a de novo tumor. The latter has much shorter history. Rapid growth and pain developing in a benign tumor should always arouse the suspicion of malignant change. Treatment of malignant mixed tumor is radical parotidectomy. Facial nerve sacrifice during operation is grafted immediately. Next malignant tumor is squamous cell carcinoma. It is rapidly growing tumor that infiltrates causes pain and ulcerates through the skin. It can metastasize to neck nodes. Treatment of squamous cell carcinoma is radical parotidectomy, which may include cuff of muscle or even a portion of mandible, temporal bone, and the involved skin. Radical neck is combined if nodal metastases are present. Surgery is followed by post-operative radiation to primary site and the neck. Here is an image of the squamous cell carcinoma. The next malignant tumor is undifferentiated carcinoma. It is rare but aggressive tumor. It has a tendency to spread rapidly, causes pain, becomes fixed to skin, and ulcerated. It causes facial paralysis and cervical nodal metastasis. Treatment of undifferentiated carcinoma is wide excision, radical neck, and postoperative radiation. The next malignant tumor is lymphoma. It is a rare tumor, usually associated with systemic disease, but may occasionally be a primary tumor. Treatment is same as that for other lymphomas. Next malignant tumor is sarcoma. Rarely other sarcomas, for example, rhabdomyosarcoma may arise from the parotid. Next malignant tumor is Frey syndrome. Frey syndrome arises as a complication of parotid surgery, usually manifesting several months after the operation. Clinical features of Frey syndrome are sweating and flushing of the preauricular skin during mastication, causing nuisance to the person or social embarrassment. It is a result of apparent innervation of sweat glands by parasympathetic secretomotor fibers which were destined for the parotid gland. Here is an image. You can see in the normal case the innervations. In the lower image of Frey syndrome, you can see the parasympathetic innervation to the sweat glands which were designed for the destined for the parotid gland. Here is an image of the Frey syndrome gustatory swelling. Now, instead of causing salivary secretions from the parotid, they cause secretion from the sweat glands. The condition can be treated by tympanic neurectomy, which intercepts these parasympathetic fibers at the level of middle ear. Some people like to place a sheet of fascia lata between the skin and the underlying fat to prevent secretomotor fibers reaching the sweat glands. Subcutaneous infiltration of botulinum toxin has also been used to alleviate the symptoms. Generally, no treatment other than reassurance is required in most of these patients. Thank you. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you so much.